Hey, it's Dustin, and you probably clicked on this video because you're a salon or spa professional. Maybe you do hair or nails, or you're an esthetician, and you know the importance of having a salon website, and you know that you need a salon website. I'm going to show you in this video how to create a salon website, the important parts of your website so that it turns visitors into clients. So stick with me. Okay, like I mentioned before, if you are a salon or spa professional, you don't even have to be a salon owner. Maybe you're just a hairstylist that rents a booth in a salon. You need your own salon website. And the reason is, if somebody gets a referral or if somebody hears about you from somewhere else, you need a place for them to go so that they can see more about who you are. They can learn about you, your pricing, and all of that. And so your website is the best place for you to be able to put your best foot forward, to be able to show that prospective client that they can trust you with their hair and that they would actually have a good experience with you. So I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you in this video how to create a website that is really easy and that converts visitors into clients so that you can build your clientele really fast. Because if you can build your clientele in 6 months or less, then you can have that clientele for years to come and you can actually support your family as a hairstylist or as a nail technician or as a esthetician or whatever your profession is. You can actually support your family. And what I like to do is I like to show you the roadmap to be able to make 6 figures in your business. So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you the elements of a website that converts. Okay, here we are on a salon website that I created, and I know that you are watching this video, like I mentioned before, because you probably have a salon or spa and you want to figure out the best way to build a salon or spa website for your business. Maybe you're a hairstylist, maybe you're an esthetician, maybe you do nails. No matter what it is that you do, you know the importance of a website and you want to be able to build one. And so I'm going to show you how to build this exact website. In fact, if you stick around with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can have this exact website if you want it. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to show you the different elements that I have on this website. And this website is designed to be able to convert visitors into clients. We want to be able to get people to come to your website, but it's not good enough if they come to your website and they don't engage with your content and they click the back button. The back button is the enemy of your website. Instead of the back button clicking off of your website, you want them to click this schedule an appointment button right here. So let's go through the sections of this website. And like I said, if this website is a website that you think looks good, it's scannable, and it is going to convert visitors into clients for you, and you want this exact website without having to do hardly any work for it, I'm going to show you at the very end of this video how you can get it. So this section right here is called the header section of the website. And the entire goal of the header section of the website is to instantly tell the visitor that you're a hair salon, that you're going to make their life better by giving them a beautiful haircut, and that's displayed by this image here, and then the text, love your hair. And then the third thing we want them to do is to be able to click an appointment, and this is for your online scheduling. So those are the 3 things that we want to happen in the header of this section. It's really simple. It's really straightforward. You don't need a lot of text. You don't need crazy images. You don't need it to be busy. In fact, you don't want it to be busy. You want it to be extremely easy to be able to scan. People don't read websites, they scan them. And so if you just scroll nice and easy through my website, you'll know there's not a lot of text, but it's very easy to understand how we're going to make the client's life better. So this section right here is called the value proposition section. So in this, I'm going to tell them 3 different things that we do that sets us apart from the competition. That's my value proposition. So we do clear communication. I talk about the consultation. We do superior hair service. Okay, so they want to know they're not going to end up getting a chopped haircut. And then we have a friendly environment. That tells about the environment that we have in our salon. It's not a catty environment. There's not a lot of gossip. It's actually a friendly, happy environment. So people know that if they come to our salon, they're going to get a great experience all around. Notice the title here says life moments are too important to feel meh. Okay, so this is kind of a negative statement to let them know if they don't go to our salon, they're actually losing out because the other salons out there are just going to make them feel meh, blah, whatever. And if you come to our salon, we're saying treat yourself to a beautiful, easy to manage hair. And that's important for clients. They want to be able to easily manage their hair. So again, this is focusing on a hair salon. You can do the same exact thing for nails or for aesthetics, but this is focusing on hair. So we go down to the next section. And the next section is what I call the authority section. What I've done here is I've created a salon video, and this is a promotional video for our salon. And then it says over here in the text, what makes the 9 Salon great? So that's the name of the salon that I created. This is actually a fictitious salon. This isn't even a real salon. I just made it to be able to demonstrate in this video how to create a website. So it says, we understand that choosing a new hairstylist can be scary. In case we're addressing their fears. Will they screw up my hair? Will they be trapped into a hairstyle I don't like? Will they listen to me? Okay, there's all kinds of things. Then I'm going to assure you in this last sentence, at 9 Salon, we take the time to be able to listen to what you want and have the skills to make you look and feel your best. Okay, so they want to look and they want to feel their best. So we're going to scroll down to the next section, and this one is the steps section. I call 1, 2, 3 easy steps to be able to schedule an appointment. So if you've made it all the way down here and you're like, hey, this looks like a hair salon that I can trust and that I want to schedule an appointment with, down here in the steps section, I'm going to tell you how easy it is to do it. Now, sometimes people go to a website, they just don't know what to do. I mean, it's pretty easy. Schedule the big pink button that I've had here all along. There's 3 opportunities before you get to this point, but you'll be really amazed at how many times people come to websites, they just don't know what to do. And so we're going to make it easy for them. We're going to spell it out. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Click the button below. Okay. Select a stylist or service. That's for online scheduling. And then pick your date and time. That's how you schedule an appointment. It's very easy. And then the section below this is the testimonials. It's always good for social proof to be able to have a testimonial. You'll notice that it's a dark image of somebody that has a beautiful hair style in the background. And then we have our testimonial overlaid on top of that. And then when we scroll down, I call this the explanatory section. Really, this is where we're going to get a little bit more text. If people have scrolled down this far, they're going to want to be able to know a little bit more about us. So it's going to say, you'll love your hair at the 9 Salon, Springfield, Oregon. It tells them a little bit more. And then if they want to read even more, I have a couple paragraphs down here about the different, the color that we use and the hair products that we use. And that's basically it. Down here is another call to action to be able to receive 20% off. This is a form that they can get a voucher to be able to get 20% off, and it'll capture their name and their email so that you can be able to market to them in the future. So that's basically the homepage of this website. We also have an About Us page and a pricing page and a beauty blog. And so I just wanted to show you those are the key elements to be able to convert visitors into clients. If your website is not doing a great job at converting visitors into clients, then it's not doing its job. That is its one and only job. You don't need to show off anything else. It's not about you. It's really about the client. And so when you're building your website, you need to remember the client first. We need to put them at ease. We need to put their fears at ease. And we need to be able to get them to click that button. We want to convert them as a visitor into a client. Now, I'm going to go over to another website just as an example. I could pick almost any website out there. There's so many bad salon websites just to compare, to be able to show you the difference of what a bad website looks like. Okay, I just did a Google search for a salon around me, and this one here is called Lush Salon and Boutique. Now, if this is your salon, I apologize, and you too can get a better website like this one right here if you want. But notice the difference. This is just so much more visually appealing, and it's very easily what we want them to do. In this one, there is a picture of the team. That's great. It looks like it was taken with a cell phone image. It's not a full page image, so that's not good. And it just says, welcome to Lush Salon and Boutique. There's no space between Lush, so there's kind of, I consider that just bad formatting. And then there's just a bunch of text. It's black and white. This really, there's no phone number. Down here at the bottom, it tells me to book now, but that's not even a great button. This is just not a good website, and I guarantee you this website right here is not converting visitors into clients. And like I've mentioned a million times already in this video, that is the number one goal of your website and its number one job. Something else I noticed about the homepage here is their message to me as the user is that they are important. The picture on the image is about them. This first sentence here was born out of desire, longtime friends Tracy and April. It's about them. It tells me about their experience. It says, we're proud to have a salon like no others in the area. It's about them. It doesn't tell me anything about me. And your website needs to speak to the client and talk about the client and ease your client's fears and be all about them, because they are the hero of your website, of your brand. You are there to serve them, and that needs to be displayed on your website. Okay, like I mentioned before, if you like this website, you can probably just pause the video and copy the text, and that's fine with me, I guess. But I have something even better that I want to show you. I've created an online course called Salon Website Academy. It is a full course where I give you step-by-step instructions of how to build that example website that I just showed you on the internet. We'll use Squarespace as a platform, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you the different sections, why they're important, how to choose your own text. If you want to modify it to make it your own salon, that's fine. If you want to copy mine exactly as it is, I give you all the source files for that. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to build it. I'm going to make this very easy. If you have no website experience, you absolutely can do this all by yourself. I guarantee by the end of this course, you'll have built your own stunning website from scratch, and I make this so easy with step-by-step instructions. You literally can have it done within the first 24 hours of enrolling. And even if you have a website already, this course will help you supercharge your website into a money-making machine. Chances are your website isn't converting visitors into clients, and so what you learn in this course is going to teach you exactly how to do that. So when you sign up today, you're going to get lifetime access to Salon Website Academy. It's a $997 value, but here's the deal. I know you came to this video to learn how to build a website, and so I'm going to be able to teach you how to do that in this course, but I'm going to throw in some other things because there's going to be some other things that you need along the way. And the first thing is traffic to your website. You can have the most beautiful website in the entire world, but if nobody knows that you exist, you're not getting any traffic to your website, then you can't convert anybody into a customer. If you're getting 0 visitors to your website, then you're going to get 0 customers. And so the next course that I'm going to show you and that I'm going to throw in when you sign up today is Salon Traffic Academy. Salon Traffic Academy is going to teach you how to optimize your website so that it ranks #1 in Google search. Search engine optimization is really important, and I'm going to help you dominate those Google search results. So when somebody in your area is looking for a new hairstylist or a new esthetician or a new nail spa, then you are going to come up first in Google search results, and I'm going to show you how to do that with Salon Traffic Academy. And since you've stuck around this long in this video, I've got a couple other bonuses that I want to throw in when you sign up using the link below. First one is Salon Video Academy. This course is a pretty small little course. There's only a few videos, but it's going to show you how to use your cell phone to create professional promotional videos for your salon. I love video because video helps you build trust with your potential clients. People are looking at you, they can hear your voice, they can see your face, and they can see the sincerity, and they can see the environment of your salon when you record these videos. So I think video is much more important and helps convert visitors into clients because it is such a trust-building machine. So in this course, I'm going to show you how to build and create professional and edit professional videos from your cell phone. In addition, I'm going to throw in another small little mini course called Salon Profit Circle. The goal isn't to get new clients on autopilot every day for the rest of your life. Eventually, you want those first-time clients to become second-time clients and third-time clients and lifelong clients. That way, you can build your clientele quickly. And so the goal when somebody's in your salon is to get them to book that next appointment, pre-book their appointment while they're in the salon. But that doesn't always happen. Sometimes they don't have their schedule with them. Sometimes they just don't want to commit. Whatever the reason is, this little course is going to give you an automated system so that you can be able to get that first-time client to book their second appointment. And it's a really valuable and clever little course that you're going to love. In addition, I've created a private Facebook group, and I'm going to give you access to that private Facebook group so that you can learn from other salon and spa professionals that are enrolled in the course as well. You'll have access to me as a virtual mentor, so if you're building your website, you're trying to get your search engine optimization up and running, you might have some questions along the way, and so you can ask those questions in the Facebook group, and either people or myself will be able to answer those questions. You'll get answers to the questions that you have as you're trying to do your digital marketing. It's a great little community to be able to help each other out. And then finally, I'm going to throw in the 6-figure salon calculator. What this is it's a little tool that you can plug in some numbers and you can know how to reach your financial goals. So let's say that you want to reach $100,000 in sales in this year. All you have to do with the Salon Profit Calculator is input your average service ticket, and it will pump out how many clients per month you need to be able to service to reach that $100,000 goal. Let's say you want to earn $200,000. You put $200,000 in there, and it will pump out how many clients you need or what your prices need to be. So you can kind of gauge and decide, what do you need to raise your prices, or do you need to lower your prices, or do you need to work less? Like, it is a little calculator that's going to help you understand and to be able to work more efficiently, to be able to know what it takes to be able to reach your goals. The old adage says, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. So here's everything you're going to get today. You're going to get access to Salon Website Academy. This alone is the reason that you're watching this video, I know, because you want to build a website. It's going to do that. But in addition, I'm throwing in all kinds of extra bonuses. I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your website. We're going to give you Salon Video Academy. We're going to give you Salon Profit Circle so you can get your first-time client to book their second appointment. You'll get access to the private Facebook group, a little community where you can ask questions and get help on your digital marketing. And then you'll also get the Salon Profit Calculator to be able to plug some numbers in to be able to reach your goals. Total value today day of $3,285. Now, here's the deal. I'm not going to charge you $3,285, but if I did, and all it did was show you how to grow your business to 6 figures this year, would it be worth it? Obviously, it would. I would invest $3,000 to get $100,000 back any day of the week. But let's not set the bar so high. Let's just say you're able to attract 1 new client per day. Would that be worth it to you? If your average ticket for that client is $60 and you get 250 new clients over the course of the next year, then that's worth $15,000 in new clients. But remember, we're trying to get those new clients to book their second appointment so that you're actually growing exponentially, and each of these clients is going to be revisiting you every 6 to 8 weeks. So multiply that by the lifetime value of each client, and this course actually could be worth $350,000 to $500,000 in what you're going to reap as a reward for implementing the strategies that I teach in this course. Now let's talk about pricing for a minute. Private mentors usually charge between $2,000 to $5,000 in our industry per month, but I believe the Salon Marketing University goes in more in depth and gives you actionable things that you can do for growth. It's going to help your salon grow by having a website that converts and driving traffic to that website. In the coming months, I'm going to be selling the course for about $597, but as an early bird special for the next couple months, I'm going to be selling it for $200 off that price at $397. But because you've stuck around to the very end of the video, I'm going to offer an additional 33% off, taking $100 off that $397 price when you sign up right now using the link below. That will give you the entire course, everything that we've talked about, for $297. Now, here's the deal. My goal with Salon Marketing University is to help you make more money in new clients in the first month than you invest in the course. If you're not making money, then I don't want your money, and that's why I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. And here's the deal. I make it so easy for you. I know that some of you might be thinking that sounds really technical. It doesn't. The software that I use makes this incredibly easy. I bring it to the bottom shelf. You can go step by step through what I teach you, and anybody, can actually build a website from scratch. Everything else that I'm offering today is just icing on the cake. So again, what you're going to get today is access to Salon Website Academy. It's an online course that has a $997 value. When you go through the entire course, you're going to learn the important sections to turn website visitors into clients, and then I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions. You can look over my shoulder of actually building the website. So you can end up with the website that I showed you earlier in this video, or you can modify it with different pictures and different text to be able to make it your own. It's totally your choice. But if you do all of the training, you literally can have a website up and running on the internet with your domain name within the next 24 hours if you go to work. In addition, I'm offering Salon Traffic Academy that's going to help you through your search engine optimization. I also have a module in there for Facebook and Google ads to be able to drive traffic to your website so that you can get people coming to your website and then converting them into clients. That's also worth $997. In addition, you'll get Salon Profit Circle. This is going to be able to help you turn your first-time visitor into a lifelong client. You'll get access to the private Facebook community. You'll get access to the Salon Video Academy so you can learn how to make professional videos. And then I'll give you the Salon Profit Calculator where you plug in a few numbers and it'll show you how to reach your financial goals as a salon or spa professional. In addition, I'm going to give you some free software trials. There's only 2 things that I recommend when it comes to software to build this automated sales funnel for your salon, and that is Squarespace to build your website, and then Rosie Salon software to do your online scheduling and your salon management. Both of those, I offer links within the course for a free trial, which makes it really nice because you don't have to put any money for the software for the first 30 days. So you can actually build your website and not pay a dime to build it. Only after the first month, if you like how your website turned out, then you can start paying for that website, and it's really cheap. It's only $12 a month anyway, so it's pretty cheap, but you get the first 30 days for free when you use the links that I give you. The total value of this entire thing is $3,285, and if you click the link below, you can get it for $297. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those in the comment section below, and I will be answering those questions for you. And like I said, go ahead and click the link below to enroll. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, and make today extraordinary.